Mbunge ya Meru nirikitie gukurukia aminista kenda kiri 10 baria bathunjirwe kiumia kithiru. Kiri Karona Rwaru kiri mbunge je nitikaniritie na riboti ya kamiti ya wandikani na aria bakurukiria aminista Baba Nandi ibakwirigirwa kunywa muma Ramisi Yauke kenda kwambiria ngugi. Amwe nabu Joy Karwitha uria wendekithitwe gutwika minista wa miunda na kwirigirwa kuthunjwa Auke mbunge neu. Muthuri Muriuki ni agutwambiria na rugono ru.
Ni rwari rwa rukureti ni mutongeri wa baba ingende ne mukia Meru no Patrick Mutuma na rutirwari rungi na rutirungi ndiro gutigira ati bakutha bekurukia ntu kenda baraboro tingavana Mutuma kwa minister thirikari newe.
These who are vetted here clearly show that they have the capacity to handle Meru at the stage it is, and Mr. Speaker, we vetted them and they all show that they qualify. They have academic credentials. Some of them have PhDs, others have masters, others have degrees, and they have a wealth of experience because they have served in several positions in this county of Meru and they know Meru team. The committee therefore recommended that the county Assembly approves the nomination.
Aja County Assembly ya Meru bonde kwa mwe bethe bagitikanirie ba bonde Nandi bethe bekurukua na kwa minister.
On the vetting of nominees, the positions of County Executive Committee members, which report was laid on the table of the National Assembly today, Tuesday, the 22nd day of April 2025 during the morning sitting. Will as many of us in the opinion say aye? Will as many of us opinion say nay? The ayes have it, the motion is passed.
Kira kitigere Nandi ni gavana Mutuma kwithwa kibanyuthe muma ikena bombo tonyo bisine na kwambia gwitangugi indi amna bubu tokere na MCA Kathumba baugite kira bakwenda ni kona Baba Nandi bagitangugi
ngendo bamenyithia no monga baitangugi ura bange barari ku batiraita baitangugi bakimenya ngwe tugwitare monenchi na utu asa County Assembly tutina kanya gakurwa kairi itwarwire na twakinyara tukinyite so twiranga bana kuthikira so mawaziri ba ngwetika baketha nyobe na kagita gakothu kagwitira antu ba Meru ngugi ni tubera mono nyabakara mu ofisine balike bagwaso nini pedro nyabo bakumara na anture na mature na bakona manture ja kadino cha barabara ja health
muthian ni bete ona bakuruko kana ba peswa ni mwasimu ngabana iba muati ngwe na batonya siasa ni batonye nonto a Meru iba lusete miaka ele nikenda bebongo bakomba kwethira beyo bo supporting gavana bo supporting Meru na kwari mathina ya Meru
tukwirigira a lot of cooperation ki mawaziri baratomba ningo kulukiru ari na itukuromba gavana aombe kwithira akiba apisha araka iwezekanavyo kenda bakuma ngwene no tutwina ngwi nyingi muno teretere ne ward kenda tukuma bode ne ward tomba ni kuthiria thina ira chiende ne ya ward chibitare kuna thina nyingi sana twina thina nyingi cia roi twina thina cia kinyi environment cia rukona uma thokone na ingwetikia as soon as timu ere kia kwapishwa bakethera bagita ground kenda tomba ni kwithira twina bono na tomba iko rutranto kwina tomba ko recover itara kiura
na kira ikabata mono Nandi ni gutigira kandrathi tikwe wa Meru nikenda kuva kuna kuthiurunga kwa mbeca ndene kaunti ya Meru.
Mbeca zaiji isakireta ka Meru eje yeto mbeca cietu cia devolution ciothe cietire ome nonto contractors betu batetora ko wangoge. I want to give an example. Kwena gento geta industrial park era as assembly to akrokete 250 million to achoka to anenkera 250 million by the national government. Contract you yaero muntu ome kutekio tona as Meru community. Mbesa chia barabara ila tuetaka MTF close to 700 million mbesa yitera usakireti Meru. Kure na mbesa sia furoka ija mitigation of climate around 188 million chia just two contractors, and those contractors they are not from Meru, they are from other places. Then okay yagotaka ikuona ni yagotembecha no mwanka mu Meru akaretha iji akiriraga no ntugotembecha itorago ko kwa ndenda kobera ujo twetete mbere ni tuko expect a Meru batete kaimbecha cieso ya devolution, especially when it comes to issues of tendering. Ba focus mono kwa kikiza antometo contractors veto ba Meru bakoewa ngugi nikenda twitha twina circulation ya mbeca Meru iji yetu nikenda tumba ukuria Meru, and that is the essence of devolution.
Na bamuthia betha bakiba mukana ukeja kutha batita ngugi ura kubaterie
na batwe te kumanisha tutwe play oversight role katuganda kure nyama waziri bara tokolukia tukwirwari omuntu no mwanka arite ngoyeke uragare mo kuruta ngoyeke then tutethira twina tutesiteti na tutithania ile tu mwinga ongekirwa kenda tumba ni Meru yomba iweta na mbere lakini uте muntu kinyo moto getigiria arwamye Meru kana Meru ria weta na mbere no ntubwawe so no mwanka bokume ngwine na bakimenya ngwira tutite kuruta ngwira bati kuruta miaka 5 tutite mirita na miaka 2 so bathaira tubwaga bariki wabisho
nalo tukurukia tugomba kwa approve CC nominees bonde bara to governor bara betire through appointment committee na otu asana assembly tutena thina na boburu thina yetu ikejira ala bakare motekereza ngugira bayai kana gutuika betu assembly bateja gucokia biro bire tukuria tukuboria on behalf ya antu ba Meru bara batuthurite ndene nyombeji
Muthuri Muriuki, Wori TV, Mutiri wa Kangangi.